Hello everyone, welcome to OptoFocus YouTube channel. Today is a very important day for eye care practitioner, optometrist and ophthalmologist. Today we are celebrating World Sight Day. In this video, I will be going to talking a very important information about World Sight Day. So without further delay, let's move into the main subject. World Sight Day is an annual awareness event held on the second Thursday of October to promote global attention on blindness and vision impairment. It is coordinated by the International Agency for the Prevention of Blindness (IAPB) and it aims to drive actions towards providing universal access of quality of eye care and to prevent avoidable blindness. History of World Sight Day. World Sight Day originally initiated by the Lions Club International Foundation under the Sight First campaign. However, it has been adopted and is now organized globally by the IAPB. First celebration. The first official World Sight Day was observed in the year of 2000 as a part of Vision 2020. The Right to Sight Initiative, a global program launched by the IAPB and World Health Organizations (WHO). The Vision 2020 initiative had a primary goal of eliminating preventable blindness by the year of 2020. Objectives of World Sight Day. Raise awareness about the global issue surrounding blindness, vision impairment and the significance of eye health. Prevention. To promote the prevention of avoidable vision loss by encouraging early detection and treatment of the eye conditions. Access to eye care. Advocate for equal access to eye care service, especially in low and middle income countries where access is limited. Encourage action. Mobilize communities, governments and organizations to take actions towards improving eye health and preventing blindness. Themes of World Sight Day. Each year, World Sight Day has a unique theme to focus on specific aspect of eye health or vision related issues. In 2021, Love Your Eyes, encouraging everyone to make a personal commitment to their eye health. In 2022, Love Your Eyes, emphasizing the importance of self-care and encouraging individuals to prioritize regular eye checkups. 2023, Love Your Eyes at Work, focusing on the impact of workplace environments on eye health. This year, Children's Love Your Eyes focuses on the importance of child eye health. Global impact of vision impairment. Over 2.2 billion people globally have some form of vision impairment or blindness, and at least 1 billion of these cases could have been prevented or had to be addressed. An estimated 90% of vision impaired individuals live in low and middle income countries where access to eye care services is minimal. The leading causes of blindness worldwide are cataracts, glaucoma, age-related macular degenerations, diabetic retinopathy and uncorrected refractive errors. Common causes of vision impairment. Uncorrected refractive errors. This is the leading cause of vision impairment globally. These include nearsightedness, myopia, farsightedness, hyperopia and astigmatism, which can be easily corrected with glasses or contact lenses. Cataract. Cataract are the leading cause of blindness worldwide, particularly in the developing countries. It involves the clouding of the lens and it is treated with surgery. Glaucoma is silent thief of sight. Glaucoma causes damage to the optic nerve and is a major cause of irreversible blindness. Early detection is crucial since it usually progresses without noticeable symptoms. Age-related macular degenerations. ARMD affects the macula, the central part of the retina, and it is leading causes of severe vision loss in older adults, particularly in high-income countries. Diabetic retinopathy. Caused by the uncontrolled diabetics, it damages the blood vessels in the retina and is one of the most fastest growing causes of blindness worldwide. Trachoma, a bacterial infection that causes scarring of the eyelid and cornea. It is the leading infectious causes of blindness. Preventive measures and self-care tips. On World Sight Day, everyone is engaged to take steps to protect their vision and prevent vision loss. Regular eye checkups. Visit an eye care professional regularly, especially if you are above 40 or have a family history of eye diseases. Protective eyewear. Wear sunglasses to block harmful UV rays and safety glasses in hazardous environments. Healthy diet. A diet rich in vitamin A like carrots or spinach. Omega-3 fatty acids like fish or nuts. And antioxidants like berries or green tea can support eye health. Manage eye health conditions. Keep chronic conditions like diabetes and hypertension under control to reduce the risk of vision problems. Screen time. Follow the 20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at the something 20 feet away for 20 seconds to reduce digital eye strain. How you can participate in World Sight Day? Get your eyes checked. Make an appointment with an ophthalmologist, optometrist, and encourage friends and family to do the same. Join local events. Participate in eye health camps, awareness walks, or educational workshops held in your area. Spread awareness. Use social media to share messages about the importance of eye health using hashtags like World Sight Day and Love Your Eyes. Donate and volunteer. Support organizations working to prevent blindness such as Sight Savers India, which provides surgeries and treatments for low-income communities. World Sight Day campaigns and activities. Eye screening camps. Eye care organizations and professionals often set up free or subsidized eye screening camps in rural and underprivileged communities to provide essential eye care services including vision test and cataract surgeries. Public awareness campaigns. Social media, TV and radio campaigns are run to educate people about the importance of eye health and encourage them to prioritize getting their eyes tested. Educational workshops and webinars. Workshops are conducted in schools, workplaces, and online platforms to teach people about common eye conditions and the steps they can take to maintain healthy vision. Hashtag campaigns. The World Sight Day and Love Your Eyes campaigns encourage individuals to share their personal experience with eye health, post about getting their eyes tested, and raise awareness online. Thank you for watching. Let's make the World Sight Day a day of actions by taking care of your eyes and helping others to do same. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.